On November 11th, students from GCIT embarked on a creative journey to MoonShine Animation Studio, one of Taiwan's top visual effects companies. Guided by GCIT Director, Distinguished Professor Tricia Lin, the visit offered students a first-hand look into the future of filmmaking, where creativity meets technology. Inside MoonShine's cutting-edge LED virtual production studio, traditional green screens are replaced by immersive, high-resolution LED walls that can instantly transform into any scene. From movie sets to streaming productions for Netflix, this technology allows directors to preview scenes in real time, shorten production time, and bring imagination closer to reality. MoonShine's AI division, Lunar Intelligence, also demonstrated how AI tools speed up concept design, proving that while AI can generate ideas, human creativity perfects them. Students even experienced how moving a camera could shift virtual perspectives, revealing how digital storytelling can feel more immersive than ever. This visit perfectly embodies GCIT's vision, empowering students to merge innovation, storytelling, and technology, preparing them to lead the next generation of global content creators.